In other news, scientists say nitrogen, you know, that stuff that causes dead zones in the Chesapeake Bay, is missing. That is, up to 75% of the nitrogen that we humans put into watersheds on the Atlantic coast cannot be measured and seemingly disappears, while only 25% of the nitrogen float downstream, which is still enough to harm the bay. Let's hear about it from a local scientist.
We've known about the missing N problem on land for quite some time, since the end of the 19th century, and we think that the missing N is either stored in watersheds or is converted into N2 or other gases that escape to the atmosphere. We're looking for this missing nitrogen within our watersheds in the upper chop tank, attempting to measure excess gases in the watersheds. And this process is really important. It's important to understand this because if that 75% is in fact stored in the watersheds, it's going to add to our existing eutrophication problems that we already have in the Chesapeake and elsewhere.
I've been out here for about 2 years now, and I've narrowed it down to that there's a microbe that we think is using methane and nitrite to turn the nitrite into N2 gas. If this is happening, it's great. It's getting rid of this nitrogen, but the problem is finding it.
Got to figure out where this nitrogen is going for. It's too late. Found a lot this summer. It's been a lot of rain and high temperatures, so it's created ideal conditions for denitrification in the stream and soils and everywhere. Here there have been a lot of sightings of missing nitrogen in groundwater. Oh no, something's coming.
Methane's a strong greenhouse gas, stronger than carbon dioxide. But if it's being produced, that means it could also be turning nitrite into nitrogen gas, which is a good thing. So now I'm just going to keep looking for it. Isotopes are next on my list. It looks promising.